Hi, this is Marc, the founder of GhostBed. Today we're going to talk about the GhostBed 3D Matrix. It's a 12-inch profile, it's a hybrid, and it starts with our Ghost Ice cooling cover, which is cool to touch and has stretch material in it so it adapts to your person. So then we have our 3D polymer gel, which is infused in this convoluted piece of memory foam, also known as a CNC cutout. So the gel's poured in here. This is the same gel that is on every operating table around the world. So when you're out cold and having some kind of operation, you're laying on a layer of this type of gel and then a piece of memory foam like this. So this provides an incredible feel for the sleeper. This has no pressure points, and that's fantastic. The next layer is our ProCore layer, and the ProCore is our new proprietary program that covers the complete surface of the mattress from foot to head, and it's broken down into a third, a third, a third. So it's firmer in the third section by your hips where you have more weight and you need to have more support. And it's a little softer at the foot and the head where you need a little bit more comfort there. So we have comfort and support in the ProCore. And then beneath that, we have a foam-encased mattress, because this is a hybrid mattress. So it's got a 6-inch pocketed coil spring unit in it. And the foam encase, what that means is, think of like a sandbox where you've got a little 2x4s around the exterior. This has the same thing, but with foam rails that go all the way around the outside. The springs drop in, and then that way when you're laying on the mattress and you come to the edge, you have extra edge support, and you can literally sleep to the edge. Then we have 2 inches of high density foam underneath that. The reviews have been just phenomenal, and I see customers getting one and then getting another for another room or another family member, and it's helped so many people with so many different problems. I see people with fibromyalgia that are very sensitive to pressure points and pressure, just loving this mattress. I see people with shoulder problems. I can speak from my personal self, having had these neck surgeries and now playing golf again and having a burden on my body, that sleeping on this, I feel much better in the morning than I did before.